The other feature, the things we want to talk about, is maintenance on these machines. And RoboCoupe is the leader in the industry because their machines are all designed to be fully maintained for your entire career. So what do I mean by that? Well, we've got a removable bell housing. It's got a removable blades and shafts. Every piece and part in any kind of RoboCoupe machine can be replaced. So it is a lifetime or career machine, I call it. So the bell housing removable. We've got a tool here for that. This is kind of important, so we're going to show you how this works. This is the blade removal tool. What this is for is actually it's a wrench and a device to keep the blade from rotating, and that goes on this end like this, so you can hold it, and then the wrench goes in the other side, like so, and what that happens is the blade can't spin around, so now you can remove the drive socket that turns the blade. So how would you replace it is remove the drive socket, the blade and shaft come out the other end, you clean it, replace it. There's an O-ring in there too. We put it back in, use the tool to hold the blade, and tighten it back up. There we go. And that is how you would remove your blade for cleaning and sanitization. It's not something you need to do every day. It's something I'd look at every couple of weeks or so. If you do a lot of hot, though, imagine the #1 application, hot soup, that's something you do want to look at because the action of the blender itself creates so much pressure there that it can slowly migrate foodstuffs up the shaft and create. And one of the #1 failure reasons for any immersion blender out there is foodstuffs getting up in the shaft. It dries that night, the next day, whatever, and it builds up stuff in there that eventually seizes the shaft, makes it not want to turn, create friction and heat and so forth. So that's how that works. So we want to keep it clean, and that's why you can replace all the parts on a RoboCoupe immersion blender. So we've got the bell housing. That goes back on. That goes on and slips in, rotates in. Bell housing on.